Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. We are up bright and early. It is 6:50 right now, and we're gonna head up to Atco Speedway to meet up with a few Accords on the East Coast. We're gonna go watch Andy Klein set hopefully the fastest record for a 6-speed manual in an Accord, and we're gonna meet up with a couple of friends that you might know. So first things first, we gotta make a quick pit stop to meet up with DRob Life. See you guys there.
What's up, man? Q Media in the building.
Over here, what's up?
Hey, two YouTubers are gonna be filming each other today.
Let's go.
Man.
That's a big tablet you got there.
Yeah, man.
Is that for the K-tuner?
Yeah. I went with the K-tuner because, of course, you know, DRob loves the K. I had that Honda, but I switched up. That's not the move, man. How you liking those new mounts?
They're not bad. I mean, once they're broken in, like, you can feel it, but it's not as bad as, like, you live with it. The upper one's easy. It takes like 10 minutes. It's the lower one that takes it.
That takes some time? Yeah, when I saw your video, I said, man, that looks like a lot of work. So how you like the tires, man? They look good.
They're good. They're grippy. They're just loud.
Yeah.
But I mean, for $700 for a set of 4, can't complain. Be sure to check out DRob Life's channel. It's got a nice Accord build in progress. I think he just put on either the PRL Inlet or the Type R Turbo. Check out his channel and find out. And we about to head up to Jersey.
Yeah, headed up to Jersey.
Head up to Jersey, find all the other Accords there.
I know, right? Gas wheel weight on the other side.
Ooh, we got everyone here.
I guess we all have you, but
Yes, sir.
You
About to head out to Jersey now. Got all the Accords. Got one there. Got one in front of us. Got more in the back. Heading out to Jersey. Got 2-hour drive. Go make it quicker than 2 hours. You know how we roll. Came for a quick rest stop. Who's getting the Starbucks? This guy here's getting Starbucks. You getting Starbucks? Little pit stop in Delaware. Got heavy fog coming up. Let's see what's gonna happen. Got a lot of traffic. We are crossing into Delaware right now. My God, this fog is something. Let's see if I can get a better picture for you guys, but damn, there's some thick fog. Thick with a couple of C's here. 15 minutes out, we're almost there, boys. It's crispy. What's up? Huh?
dude, this thing is beautiful.
What'd you do?
12.8, and he missed a ship and got 13.1, which is nuts.
Well, hey, good shit.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, you did?
Well, shit, I'm gonna have to go back out there. Is
He
anybody
said-
else racing?
Nah, we gonna spectate.
All right, cool.
$100 too much to race. Who likes it though? This guy tuning his tune. Shit's insane out here. Got a lineup of fast cars. Got some dragsters out here as well. Let's go link up with everyone, see what they're up to.
Yeah, 8.5 and 130.
gear out there. Here we go, rolling in inlet left for Scott Jones.
Crispy's car lined up. Got Andy over here. Here's what we came out for. Came out to watch Andy run. 6-speed manual, 480 horsepower roughly. And you couldn't even tell that this has port mount. Did it very well. Andy over here. He recently just put on, I think, a line lock. You said he put on a line lock recently, right?
Just a temporary switch. I want you to see your wheels. It's you probably can't see it, but the line locks are up in there.
I just love that. Like visually, you haven't done much to it, so it's just so unassuming.
Yeah, 3 gallon.
Still got the baby sitting there. This is sick. Check him out, Andy Klein.
I ran a 18460. That's my best so far.
Full interior, ready to run an 11. Coming up on a Toyota. What did we say it was? A Starlet?
Yeah, Starlet. Yeah.
Toyota. What is this? I think it is a 2J. Is it? No, it's a 4A.
How you doing? Good.
Is this the 4A motor? Which engine is this? MR2?
We have GT.
So is that?
3 GT. Yeah, broke the can.
Ah, because we saw you about to do a burnout and something happened, so we were like, damn.
We were waiting to see this fun.
I know. Me too.
Damn. Looks good, no? Thank you.
Crazy. What chassis is this? 2JZ 86. Woo! Damn. That's some fast cars.
Yeah.
Oh, that Civic over there, those tires are barely inflated.
I know.
Damn.
Barely gonna make it.
Probably got B-blocks on them, I think.
Looks like AP round winners, lane 7. Round winners only. Lane 7.
Are you guys gonna run again?
I'm gonna try.
You gonna try to run again?
That was my worst pass of the day.
What'd you run?
12.9.
All right.
I spun too hard and locked me out a second.
Oh, damn.
No, this is hard to do.
No, man, you're trying to...
You guys are right every time. The line log and all that.
That's why he loves to say anyone can go faster than automatic.
Yeah,
It's true.
it's true.
It's true.
It is what it is. It's true.
Try not spinning so I can slam it in a second.
All right, one more run. So far, Andy's doing pretty good. Best time so far was a 12.2. Hoping that he was able to break into the 11s today. He's worked really hard for it, so hopefully he'll be able to get it. But yeah, stay tuned. We'll see how well he does.
I hope we didn't break anything.
All right, hopefully nothing broke off Andy's car. Didn't launch off the line right. Next time, man. Next time you'll get him, Andy. You know what? That's what you do. You race them, you break them, and you try again. Race, break, and try again. Let's go check up on him, see how he's doing. Hopefully he's not too devastated.
The clutch locked me out. It actually stuck to the floor.
Damn.
Damn. So luckily it didn't weld the disc to the flywheel.
Like you said, manual's not easy to drive.
has its own.
Shit. Yes.
You'll get them next time, man.
That look good.
And all the Accords lined up.
Wow.
Look at those 3 gorgeous Accords taking up all 3 lanes of the highway. That's what we love to see. Ah, there he goes. Alright, we're cruising home now. Hopefully this video was somewhat cohesive. It's kind of all over the place, but you know, we had fun today. We met a bunch of new people, really cool folks. We met Dub's Life. Be sure to subscribe to his channel. And we met a couple of other people where I'm gonna drop their Instagrams down below. But yeah, hopefully this was a fun video for you guys. A little disappointed that Andy couldn't make his 11s, but you know what? That's how it is with drag racing, especially with the manual transmission. It's not easy. And you know, he's a pioneer setting those records for the manual transmission. So be sure to follow him as well and check out his build. Hopefully he'll break into the 11th as soon as possible. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.